In order to make a textile material, first we will going to choose the default slot material. We make sure that is on standard. We will rename it fabric or sofa fabric to be more specific. And the shader basic parameter, we will leave it as beeline. Here in the diffuse, we will going to choose a textile image. So we're basically going to add a bitmap layer. And I will choose the texture that I'd like to choose. Here is the bitmap parameter. I will go back to the main parameters. I will open up the maps and I will add a little bump material so it would appear as it has some texture. So rather than going again to add another bitmap and I will search again for the same photo, I could go here to the diffuse color. So in order to copy the same map into the bump, I would basically click and drag to bump map. I will release and I will choose copy and I will click OK. I can reduce the bump to 18, for example. I will go back and I will add a little specular level and a little glossiness. I will apply this textile into my sofa. So I can simply click and drag to the sofa. Make sure that you choose show shaded material in viewport. And also I can control the mapping of the sofa. For example, let me have the other sofa here. Okay, so here you can see the mapping is a little bit distorted. I will select the sofa itself and I will add a parameter, which is the UV map parameter, to the sofa. I will click on box because it is the basic form of my sofa is the box. And here I can change the length and the width of the mapping to make it more realistic. So I have increased the width. Here, as you can see, the height is a little bit stretched upward. So maybe I can decrease the height a little more. Okay, here's the width is in minus, so I could increase it a little bit. Okay, so I can decrease the height. Like so. So this is a more realistic mapping to the object. So UVW map will allow me to control the mapping of the object. Yes, it has nothing to do with the material itself, but it has something to do with the actual model.